Welcome, amazing soul. This is your sacred time, a time for gratitude, a time for affirmation, and a time to use all 5 senses to visualize what you will become. Because you are ready to receive, ready to grow, ready to step into the life that is waiting for you. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes. Let the outside world fade. Take a slow, deep breath in. Hold and out. Again, in. Hold and out. As you breathe, imagine a bright light above you, filling your body with warmth, love, and peace. Exhale, drawing the energy down the front of your body, through your chest, your stomach, your pelvis, your legs, grounding you. Inhale, sending the energy up your spine, rising like a golden flame. Continue this gentle cycle, circulating radiant energy through your entire being. Now, bring your awareness to your heart. Think of one moment from the past few days that fills you with gratitude. See it. Feel it. Relive it now. Now bring to mind someone you are grateful for. See their face. Feel their presence. Feel how grateful you are to have them in your life. Send them your silent thank you. Now shift your gratitude to something larger. The wonder of life, the beauty of the world, the miracle of simply being here today. Finally, turn your gratitude inward for your journey, for your progress, for the habits you have shifted, and all that you are becoming. From gratitude, we rise into affirmations. Let these words sink deep. I am grateful. I see the positives in all the things around me. I am worthy of love, happiness, and success. I am confident and courageous. I am strong and resilient. I am always learning and growing. I trust my intuition and inner wisdom. My consistency creates transformation. Every cell in my body is filled with light. My immune system grows stronger every day. I trust my body's natural wisdom. I trust the healing process. I trust that I am becoming whole again. I am grateful. Now, let's step into the vision of your healing. See yourself already whole. At the very moment of health and vitality. It is here now in this vision. What do you see around you? Do you see yourself smiling with energy and joy? Do you notice your body glowing with strength and balance? See yourself vibrant, healthy, and free. What do you smell? The clean scent of fresh air. The fragrance of nature, flowers, or healing herbs. Breathe it in fully, anchoring yourself in healing. What do you taste? The freshness of pure water. The nourishment of healthy food. The sweetness of vitality and life itself. Taste it fully now. What do you feel with your touch? Do you feel your body moving freely and with ease? The rhythm of your heartbeat, steady and calm. The warmth of healing energy flowing through every cell. Feel yourself alive, whole and renewed. And what do you hear? Do you hear your breath steady and calm? The sound of your heartbeat strong and certain. or the encouraging words of your inner voice saying, "I am healing." Hear it clearly now, alive and real. And finally, how does it make you feel? Feel the peace of being whole again. The gratitude for your body's wisdom and strength. The joy of restored energy and freedom. The love you carry for yourself and for life itself. Let these emotions expand through your whole body. Feel it as if it is happening right now. Because to your mind and your heart, it already is. Whisper silently, "Thank you." Thank you. Thank you for what you have and the vision you have created. As you return each day, your transformation will unfold naturally. And finally affirm once more, "I know my dream future is on its way." And I am truly grateful for it. I carry love. I carry peace. I carry joy. Take a final deep breath in. Hold and release. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. Feel awake. Feel alive and aligned. You are living in abundance, walking with gratitude. You are ready to create your best day. You are amazing.